everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video is I'm going to unbox the best ever gift that I've got on my birthday. So it's been 3 years and a half na rin naman kasi na I never changed my cell phone, so it's best time to change it. And today I'm going to unbox my new cell phone. It's from Samsung, and for my new phone it's still Android Samsung, okay? And what I've got is the Samsung S22 Ultra. O, diba? Bongga! Ang tagal kong inantay, guys. So, order ko siya ng maybe second week ng March. And then, ngayon ko lang siya nakuha. And today is April 14, Thursday. Kaya, yun. Ito siya, guys. Tanggalin na natin itong how you call that, kasi included yung itong SIM card. Ganito lang siya, napaka minimalist ng box nila ng Samsung. So ganito lang siya, and super slim. Tingnan nyo naman, guys, naka-sealed pa din. So i-unbox ko siya sa inyo. So tara, unbox na natin siya. So guys, eto na yung cellphone. So i-unbox na natin siya. I'm so excited kasi matagal ko na siyang inaantay, and ngayon lang dumating. And ipapakita ko rin sa inyo yung mga accessories na binili ko for this one. Guys, I'm not a techie, pero ipapakita ko lang naman sa inyo yan. Unbox ko lang siya. So, napaka minimalist nung box. Pag open mo, cellphone agad yung makikita mo. I chose black, and you see how nice is this one. Ang kinuha ko is some S22 Ultra. Meron siyang pen in here. So, may plastic pa, of course. And look at this one, guys. Matte yung color. This is the first camera. All the cameras. This is the flash and this one. Okay. So, aside from the cell phone, is this one. Inside is itong charger niya. Wala na silang binibigay ngayon na adapter. So, ganito lang ang laman sa loob. In the box, the cell phone, the charging cable, and this pin. I always need this. And guys, eto yung lagayan ng SIM card. So wag kayong don't make mistake in this one, kasi dalawa yung hole. Yung the other one, the first one is the mic, the speaker, I think, and the first one close to the SIM card holder that's the one you're gonna open with this. Okay, so guys, for now I'm just gonna explore everything. I just unbox, and I want to show you what's inside the box, and also what accessories I got for my cell phone. Syempre, bago. So, we need to take care of that. So, first, I got this from Amazon. It's the screen protector. As in, kararating lang niya ngayon na, kasi in order, kasi pagka naka-prime ka sa Amazon, either today mo siya makukuha or the next day. So, ito yung mga nakuha ko sa Amazon. Meron siyang dalawang libreng, two protector for my camera. And also, 2 of the screen protector. I don't know what's this for. Bahala na, i-check ko siya mamaya. Yeah, so dalawa yung nakuha kong. And it's cheap, guys. I think $11. And syempre, cellphone cases. I don't know which one I'm gonna use first. And napakita ko na ito from my previous vlog. Hello Kitty holder. Pero I still need something to hold on to this kasi medyo slippery siya. Ito guys, clear. Pero nasa ibaba yung yung bare para mag-hold siya dito. Pero hindi ko sure kung paano gagamitin. And this is another cellphone holder. Don't worry guys, hindi mahal yung mga pinagbibili ko. Kasi ito I think it's $7, $7.99 from how you call that? Ano ba yun, nakalimutan? AliExpress. And this one too, it's $5.99. What I like from this one, kasi walang masyadong magandang color, kaya ito lang yung nakuha ko, is ito siya, may holder siya guys. Kasi parati ko nahuhulog yung cellphone ko. So, I need to be careful. Kaya, yung laging, gusto ko yung laging may holder ang gamit ko. And, meron siyang mga rhinestone. I don't know how this one will last. Pero, yeah. So far, super like ko yung mga case na nabili ko. Let's put my SIM card. And by the way guys, with this, kasi sa Samsung Note 9, you can extend the memory. But this one, you don't need to extend. And yeah, wala siyang extender. Kasi, oh, by the way guys, ang memory na nakuha ko is 512. O, diba, bongga. So, yeah, I'm putting the SIM card now. I hope I do it properly. Alam niyo naman ako guys, hindi ako techie. Basta, yung mga basic lang. Oh. There you go guys. Na ilagay ko na yung SIM card ko. And let's turn it on. There. Samsung Galaxy. Welcome. Okay. So guys, copy apps and data. Kasi nagva-vlog ako right now. I'm using my phone. So, maybe later ko na gagawin or I'm not sure. Yeah, but for now, let's keep to that. So guys, right now, look at this one. Na-set up ko na siya, everything. And I just need to... And napakabilis lang niyang ma-set up. Okay na lahat yung mga programs. Yung iba, nilalagay ko pala, ini-install ko pa lang. Pero, right now, okay na siya. So, yun guys, na-install ko na siya and everything. So, I hope you like my video. And later on, ilalagay ko na tong tempered glass dito sa screen. guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope na meron kayong konting natutunan sa from my unboxing, a little bit of setup, and also from my accessories. Okay, so again, thank you for watching. Hope to see you on my next vlog. Okay, bye.